Alright guys, welcome back to another part of this training where I'll be showing you exactly how to run ads when you do not have a website. Yes, I've received so many messages from you guys saying, hey, from the videos we saw that you need a website for you to run your ads and the rest of them. Guys, the thing is, you can also be successful running your ads without a website. Now, I want you to know again that this part of the marketing objective is just to create awareness for either your page or your brand. This part, you can either tie in a website to it or you can't tie in a website to it. But for you to run any form of conversion ads, you must have a pixel data. You must have a website. You must have an online store. You must have something you want to drive that traffic to. You get my point? So you cannot do any form of work here if you do not have either a website, a Shopify store, or anything. You get my point? So if you want to create an ad and direct that traffic to your WhatsApp, I'm just going to show you exactly how to do that from scratch. You get my point? So the very first thing you need to do is, you don't need to do the engagement ads first if you want to connect, put in your WhatsApp number. Because if you want to put in your WhatsApp number for it to show this way, just as you can see here, send message to WhatsApp, meaning you want to direct your traffic to WhatsApp, you will not create an engagement post first, no. Because the engagement post creation option does not give you the opportunity to put in this WhatsApp button here, it does not. So all you just need to do is do what? Create a traffic post. This is exactly how I'm going to do it from scratch. So you are not even supposed to create the post on your page. No, this is how you are going to do it. Come over to traffic. I'm sure you know exactly how to do all of this. Go to continue. So once you come over to this page, the next thing that you need to do is to set where you want this traffic to go to. You see, your traffic should go to either your website, app, messenger, or WhatsApp. So once you click on WhatsApp, automatically it creates an option for that WhatsApp button. This WhatsApp button you are seeing to do what? To come up. It's going to optimize it for this. This WhatsApp button will come up. So once you do that, you click on WhatsApp, then you now select the page. Select the page. Now you must have WhatsApp connected on your page before you can actually run this kind of ads. So it is the WhatsApp that is connected to your page that traffic will be driven to. So to do that, you can just come over to your page and click on this edit button, edit WhatsApp button, or you can add button or add the WhatsApp button there. It's not difficult. Okay, I'm sure you already know how to do that on your Facebook page. Okay, so once you click on WhatsApp, you say the page is connected to a WhatsApp business account with number This is my own business account. You go down, all these are set. You go down, and you click on continue. So this automatically opens up. Okay, the page, select your page name and the account and the rest of them. So we want to create a new account, a new post. So we're creating a new post as it stands now. So you put in your text. I already showed you how to put in your text. After putting in your text, put in the headline, chat on WhatsApp, just as you can see here. This here, chat on WhatsApp, 3D logo for this that amount. Chat on WhatsApp, then you include the description, put in your description. Okay, after that, you come over to here, add media, add image. If you want to use that, a video, fine. So you must have designed your image already. That should not be a problem for you. You should know this image size that you want to use. You click on upload. After doing that, upload your image. So go over to desktop. Let me locate the image that I want to use. So this is just the basic process for uploading image. You get, so this is just a test that I'm doing for you, just to show you an example of how this is being done. Once the image is uploaded, now click on next, and you are going to see the preview of what it will look like. You click on done. Alright, when you scroll down here, you are going to see the preview of what your post will be like. I don't know if you can see it here. It is very, very easy, extremely easy. So assume that you put in your write-up and everything the way you want it to appear. This is the preview of what you are going to see. So whatever click that happens here, the traffic will come straight to your WhatsApp, directly to your WhatsApp. It is going no other way. No, it is going to no other place. Okay, so that's when you are good to go. You click on what? Confirm, and your ad is good to go. Okay, your ad is good to go. So after creating this post, you are good to go. Now, this post does not automatically appear on your page. All you just need to do is come over to this point, click on page posts. In order for you this page to show on your post, on your page, for this post to show on your page, you need to do what? Publish it on your page. So after publishing it, you can now use this same post as ads. You just click on use existing post, use existing post, use existing post, and you are good to go. Okay? Alright. So when this opens, you come over here to select the page I want to use. I have so many pages, and people are managing their products. So these are the pages you are seeing here. Where is which page are we using? Okay, let's use mine. Using my page. So click on what? Add post. So once you click on add post, so that post we just made, you are going to see it here. Okay, this is it on the 7th of September, today's date, 7th. This is the one we just made. You click here, and you come here, click on actions, and you do what? Publish. So immediately you publish this post here, automatically it will appear on your Facebook page, carrying this send message button. And guys, it is very easy. You get my point? So if you want to use this post again for ads, take for example, you've done that traffic ad. Your major purpose of doing that traffic ad is so that you can bring in this send WhatsApp message button. You know that, you remember the regular process for you to run engagement ads. You have to go back and do what? Use this same post for engagement. It is very easy, guys, extremely easy. So just understand the process, understand how it's done, and I assure you that you will not have any issue at all setting up this ad. So let me just show you how to reuse this post again for engagement and to use it again for traffic. Okay, let's go. So let me just pause this, turn this one off. I don't need it. So create. So now we want to create what? Engagement. You click on what? Engagement. Once you click on engagement, you come down, you know how to do all these settings. Click on continue. You know how to set up your audience and the rest of them. You move forward. Click on continue. This part of identity, this is where you now decide to do what? To use an existing post. Select where the page is. Select the page. You go down. The page post will come up there. You can click on create ad, but you don't want to create an ad. We want to use that same post that we have just made and run engagements on it, as I told you before. Now click on existing post. You come here, select post, and guys, you are good to go. So click on publish post. That's where you are going to see it. Once you click on publish post, okay, I've not published it, add post. So as mean I published it when I went to that point, but I mean I published it, I've come there. So just click on add posts for me to see it here. And guys, this is it. It is going to come up somewhere around here, and you click on the post here, and you click on continue. It is as easy as that, guys. Very easy. I hope you get my point. It's as easy as that. So now, after using it as engagement, you will now also need to drive traffic to this post. Please take note of what I want to tell you. So let's imagine now that I want to create another ad again. I want to create, after getting engagement, I want to create ad again. I want to drive traffic to this post now. So this is exactly how I'm going to do it. Remember, after running engagement, you now need to drive traffic. Okay, traffic is what will now cause you getting money. Remember, you can't do conversions on this, but with traffic you can get what you want. Okay, so just click on create post. Now once you create your post, so guys, so once you want to run the traffic ad again for it, after getting your engagement on that post, there is something that Facebook did here, and that thing is very tricky. If you come over and click on traffic, so remember what we did the last time was we clicked that the traffic should go to WhatsApp here. That was what we did when we were setting up the first ad, in order for it to carry that WhatsApp button on the post here. Now, if you want to run traffic for this ad, your normal traffic ad, if you click on WhatsApp here, Facebook will not give you the option to use an existing post. You can try it out. You can try it out. If after doing this and you go over to this next part for you to put in the post, it will not give you the option to use an existing post. Please take note of this trick. Facebook do not want you to reuse it. But in order for you to use it, all you just need to do is click on what? Website. Click on website. That's all you just need to do. Okay? Now you go down and click on continue. Once you click on continue, guys, the option for you to use an existing post will come up. And once that option comes up, all you just need to do is go and click on that post, choose that post that carries this WhatsApp button, and guys, you have actually won Facebook. So click on the post. Which page? Okay, this is the page. And now this use existing post option will come up. If you click on that WhatsApp message, this one will not come up. It will ask you to create a new ad. This thing is what have been killing so many digital marketers. I'm showing you secrets upon secrets upon secrets. Okay? I deserve one chilled bottle of Heineken for this secret I've just shown you. Yes, one chilled bottle of Heineken. So now you can use your existing post. Come here, click on use existing post. I want you to try what I just showed you. Use that WhatsApp button and use this one, and let's see the difference. You can now come over here and do what? Select post. After selecting your post, guys, boom, you can now choose that particular post that you did that stuff on. This is very, very easy. Very, very easy. Just understand the concept. Once you understand the concept, guys, you are good to go. Okay? I hope I have confidently answered your questions as to how you can add driving traffic to your WhatsApp number. I hope I am fulfilling my promise. I have just showed you exactly how to run these ads when you do not have a website. The thing is, a lot of persons are asking me, how do you set up pixels? How do you do this? How do you do that? How do you do that? Guys, listen, these are not things you can do when you don't have the ideology of how a website is designed. See, for you to become a good digital marketer, you must have an idea of everything on the internet. Everything. You must have an idea on how to do majorly everything. You get my point? That's why you can be called a digital marketer. Because you have an idea on web design, pay-per-click, graphics design, digital marketing, and everything. You have an idea of them. So in order for you to learn very, very well how to install Pixel app, I will really, really encourage you to enroll for my web design training. The training is a 1 month training, and after that training, guys, you become a fully certified website designer. Remember I told you, you must know how to install pixels on your laptop, on your website, Facebook pixels on your website, before you can run conversion ads very, very well. I do them for me, and it's working for me because I know how to run them. If you do not want to learn web design, you can also pay me, and I'll gladly run these conversion ads for you. So for you to get more details about this web design training, just go over to our Facebook page. You already know what the Facebook page is all about. Just go there and you see our post where we talked about our website design training. Alright guys, so this is the post. This is the post here. So web design training. The cost is 10,000 naira, about 150 Ghana cedis. Okay, so not expensive at all, and I made it very, very cheap, very, very cheap. So guys, thank you so much for being part of this class. I highly appreciate you, and I'll see you in the web design class. So tell me, express yourself. How do you feel? Express yourself as to how you feel about these secrets I've just showed you, as to how you can run traffic ads and direct these traffics to your WhatsApp. I'm waiting for your comments in the comment section below.